Hi, my name is Rickey Bird and I'm the writer-director of The Video Store. I wanted to say thank you so much for coming and checking out our film. We really appreciate it. If you like the film, please leave us a comment in the comments section. Tell us what you think about the film and like the video. If you like the video and want to see more of our videos, subscribe to our channel. We need as many subscribers as we can get. And lastly, if you really like the film, you can buy the film on our website, hecticfilms.com. We have the digital version and we're also selling the DVDs. So you can get yourself a DVD copy of The Video Store just in case the internet closes down or whatever and you want to have your own. Here it is. And also, if you want to be involved with our projects, go to our website, Hectic Films, join our email list, and you will be up to date with all the Hectic Films stuff, projects, upcoming films, because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. And last thing, if you really like this movie and you missed The Video Store, like we all do, you can go to the escape room. At Real Escape, we have Bird's Movie Zone. Actually, what we used in the film is the same room that you are in, so you get a shot through all the VHS tapes, try to solve the puzzle, and get out before the aliens get you. So it's a really fun time. You can check that out on our website, also hecticfilms.com, or its own website, videostorefilm.com. So again, enjoy the movie, share it with everyone you can. We want to get the word out, and we really appreciate all the support that we've had with the films thus far, and thank you to all the people that have purchased the film and got the DVD. So again, check it out, hecticfilms.com. Enjoy the film.
Will you guys shut up? Quiet! What are they saying in the chat rooms?
I'm still trying to get online. Okay, we're on.
Goodbye.
No! Why? I hate the World Wide Web.
Dude, get off the cheat line!
Sorry. Okay, here we go. Dave? Brad? Hello?
Welcome, my ugly lovelies, to the terrifying world of killer vampires. Are you ready for a night of horror and hijinks? If not, run!
Vampire killers arrive!
We want your soul!
Vampire killers are coming for you!
Killer vampires! Too wild
Hey kid, I told you this 3 times. You ain't old enough to rent that. That movie is too wild for your little eyes. So beat it!
Go suck an egg.
I told you, kid, no Dick Tracy references in my store. That's it. Scram, kick rocks, get.
Excuse me, sir. I'm with the FBI. I need your help.
That's right. Spaceships have been spotted.
So it is aliens?
Many folks believe unidentified flying objects circling the sky.
Confirmed. Oh man, I just gotta call Derek real quick. Give me a second.
Wait, call who?
Dude, guess what? I was right. It's been confirmed. It's aliens. Confirmed. I was right. It's aliens.
Sir, we don't have much time. I need to use your phone and as many tape erasers as you have.
Yeah, I have some dude here from the FBI and he just confirmed it.
Yeah, like I'm supposed to believe there's an FBI agent at Movie Zone right now? Yeah, whatever, dude. What, his name's Mulder? Yeah, okay.
Just shut up right now, Derek. There's an FBI agent standing right here. I'm looking at him right now. Ha, see, you know what that means.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
$20, little man, put that.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to hang up that phone slowly.
I gotta go right now. I'll page you later, Derek.
Dude, you are so full of...
Do you have a back room?
Yes.
Show it to me.
No. You gotta make it seem real. Really real. When you look up in the sky, I want Tom Hanks' Forrest Gump. No words, just emotion. Listen, actors make the damn movies. Okay, Craig, shoot. Anytime. And action. Holy crap, are you getting this?
Getting what?
Getting that. Oh man, tell me you're getting this on tape. This is gonna be better than the OG verdict.
Stop shaking the camera.
Yep.
I just risked everything, put it all on the line, but it will totally be worth it. Got what? Killer Vampires, the film Too Wild for Young Minds.
Got what?
Mask of the Phantasm. It's a Batman movie.
Oh. Well, you boys better be in bed when I get home from work and no scary movies.
Okay, Mom. Sure thing, Miss Williams. We have to watch this now. Dude, I'm just about to finish this game. Sonic is not going anywhere. We only have a small window of time before your mom gets home to watch this movie. 2 seconds, man. I just risked my life for us to see this movie. I could be on the FBI's most wanted list for this. Give me that.
No. Hey, no. Stop. Go.
You don't get a name. Do you even know what the witness looks like, you moron?
Rachel, this is the most unbelievable thing I've ever seen. Take a look. A spacecraft.
An alien spacecraft has crashed here into the clock tower at the Kern County Museum. Now, this is very much like the UFOs we have seen circling the city in recent days. Mayor Price urging all citizens to stay right where you are inside your home, at least for the time being. Hold on. We're getting an update now. We have just learned FBI agent Elliot Thomas has been seen at a gas station just a few hours ago. Now,
that's him! The FBI dude that came into the movie zone! He had a smoking briefcase!
Wait, what did you tell me?
You're all into your game!
You turned off my game.
In Arvin. An official spokesperson from NASA has confirmed the existence of
Mom? Mrs. Williams!
that aliens have been visiting planet Earth for thousands of years. The facility outside of Arvin was rumored to only be testing stealth bombers. Well, who knew there was
Jason,
an alien
Alicia took my mom.
Alicia
took my mom. Pull yourself together! I'm sure the aliens will bring your mom back, man. But while she's gone, we should really watch Killer Vampires.
Maybe the FBI agent knows where the alien took my mom.
Are you kidding me? At the movie zone? There's no way he's still there. I can't show my face there. They'll arrest me for stealing the movie.
We have to find him and figure out how to get my mom back.
It's getting dark, and I'm sorry, Ricky, but I don't have a bike light. My mom will kill me if she sees me without a bike light.
Grab a slingshot. We're going to the movie zone.
Tape erasers may have been too much. God help us.
Hey, you guys can't be in here. The video store is closed.
The door is locked?
Hey, calm down, Kai. I got it, all right? Why is this door locked?
Spank Boy here on your favorite crustacean station. Now, if you haven't heard about this, if you haven't seen the reports, I don't want you to panic, but you need to know several people have been reported missing around Bakersfield and Kern County today. The authorities are aware of it. They're looking into it. In the meantime, the best thing that you can do is stay indoors. Make sure your pets are inside as well, your puppy dogs and kitty cats. If you're trying to contact the authorities, understand they are swamped with phone calls, so please be patient. Now, we'll have another update coming up at the top of the hour at 8 o'clock on your favorite crustacean station.
Hey, look, man, you gotta pick the right song. Wait a second. What's going on here? I thought you were trying to play the. What's going on? So you press something? Don't mess with it.
You got it all jammed up. You gotta be delicate.
Everything stops. Like wait, aliens?
Falling for that again.
Falling for what?
For what? For aliens, dude. We're not 12 years old anymore.
Dude, the car's not even moving.
Okay, really, great. Don't touch me. Aliens. Hey, I'm not falling for that.
We gotta get out of here.
Are you trying to get an Oscar? You're really selling this, huh? Oh boy. And okay, and he's gone. Good. I'm falling for it.
should really leave. Let's just go back home.
You're fine. We gotta get my mom back.
I'm fine. You heard Danny Spanks. People are disappearing faster than an internet connection.
You're being a baby. We're in 6th grade now.
Do you see the FBI guy in there?
No, I don't see anything. Wait, I think there's a family in there.
Let's just look on the bright side here. We can now watch killer vampires at your house.
Come on, Jay. We need to try to break the window.
Break the window? Are you serious? We can't break the window.
Kids, we need to get away from that video store. We gotta clear the perimeter and get those kids away from the building. That's Elliot's car. I'm gonna radio him.
Kids, I need you to step away from the building. Come on.
Elliot, do you copy? Elliot!
I'm sorry, David. I really thought I could fix this. The magnetics from the tape eraser had the opposite effect. The alien is getting bigger. But I think I have the leader.
Boys, step away from the building, nice and slow.
Those aliens took my mom. I have to find her.
Easy, buddy. We'll find your mom. We're with the FBI.
I don't like this. I'm scared, man.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, I don't want to be killed by the vampires.
They're vampires, Jay. They're aliens.
Let's just forget what our moms told us about going anywhere with strangers and go with this guy.
Yeah, listen to your friend. We need to get both of you out of here, now.
No, my mom is basically those aliens took her. I'm not going anywhere until I find her. So just back up. You're not mine.
Hello?
Mama!
Mrs. Williams, you're alive. I'm so glad we found you.
Boys, these aliens are harmless. Look.